Hello, this is Rhonda coming again to give a little further explanation of the Fibonacci retracement process that I was explaining on yesterday. What the Fibonacci retracement process consists of, I do day trading, and in trading you learn of Fibonacci retracement ratios that help you to decide whether you want to place a trade, to help you decide whether the trend is going to continue or if it's going to break, or I don't have the time to get into any explanations regarding trading, except what I can do is I can show you this really quickly. Let me show you. So this is what my chart looks like, and the ratios would help you. It's based on actually pullbacks. So this is a trend that is going down right here. It's going down, and so it went down and then it pulled back. This would be considered one of the ratios that it actually pulled back to, or could be one of the ratios that it would actually pull back to. Well, those ratios are used. Don't focus on this, what I'm showing you here. Just focus on these ratios here. I found that these ratios were used by another person. I found this on the internet, and this other person used these ratios to help determine lottery numbers that they could play. So what I have here are the winning numbers for October the 26th, 2019. And so I used these numbers here in this column. And what you do is, once you get these numbers and then you get these numbers, you multiply this number by that number, and then the 11 by the 23.60, and the 12 by the 23.60, and the 15 by the 23.60, and the 30 by the 23.60, and you get all of these numbers here in this row. Row number 3, you would do the same again. 1 by row number 3, 38.20%, 11 times 38.20, 12 times 38.20, 15 times 38.20, and 30 times 38.20%, and you get these numbers. And this is what it would look like when you want to formulate in your cell the multiplication process. And it's the equal sign, and then the column, which is column B. 1 is this is in row 1, so B1 times column A, and then 2, and then C1, row 1, C1, column C1 in row times row A2. So I had to show you that. Let me see. C times A2, and then D1 times A2, E1 times A2, and F1 times A2. So what I did, I left those values as they equated, so that I can show you how I came up with those numbers that I came up with on yesterday. So what you do is you take these numbers and you take them to the nearest 10th place. Some basic math. And or nearest ones. I think this is ones, and then tens. Yeah, this is the nearest one place. And so this is just going to be at 0 because, of course, you know, the number 2, it'd have to be either at a 5 or higher to make that even, make that a 1, or you can keep it at a 0 depending on, okay, like this number here, 2.596, because 9 is, you got 2.59. You can actually turn that 5 into a 6, which this would round up to be a number 3. And this would round up to be a number 3. This, I can take it to, I can keep it at 3, or I can take it to 4 if I want to. So I'm just going to choose to take it to 4. And this would stay at 7. This, I'm going to keep it at 5. This, I may just take that to 1. Keep this at 5. 6, then 7, we'll make that an 8. And we got 15 there. So this is 1. This would be 7. 7.41. This would be 7. This would be 9. And this would be either 18 or 19. I'll just do 18. Or maybe 19. It doesn't matter because you see, as you see here, 19, these were actually the winning numbers for the 27th, and 19 is not even up there, so don't worry about that. So this is going to be 1 definitely. And this would be 9. This would be 9. And this would be 12. This would be 24. This is going to be a 1. And this is going to be 12. I think I was wrong on yesterday when I said isolated numbers. Looks like today would be numbers used most or commonly. 13. That would be 14. This is 17. This is 34. This is 1 again. This is 14. This would be 15, one of yesterday's winning numbers. This would be 19. And this one doesn't matter because this is not in our Fantasy 5, 37. It only goes up to 36, so we don't worry about that. This would still be 1. This would be 15. This would be 17. And this would be 21. This would be 41. Doesn't matter again. We got 2. We have 18. Got 19. And then we have 24. And then we have 48 or 49. I'll use 49. It doesn't matter because, again, our numbers only go up to 36. And I forgot this row. This would be 11. This would be 6. This would be 5. This would be 4. And this would be still 0. Here would be a 0. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you on today, was how I got these numbers. And again, the winning numbers on yesterday was 5, 10, 12, 27, and 28. And as you can see, we got the numbers 5 here. Number 10 is not in here, but you got 12. Definitely have the 12. And 27 and 28 are not in here, but once I do my other workout, I will see how this list can help me determine some more numbers. Okay, and I know this is a short video on today. I just really wanted to explain to you what I meant by Fibonacci retracement ratios. These are the ratios that was used in the Fibonacci retracement rule for trading, and someone took these numbers and used these numbers to actually help as a guide to getting winning numbers using the previous day's numbers. And yeah, just wanted to show you or give a further explanation about this process here. So maybe I'll come back with another video finishing out this process. Have a great day.